Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Kali in Linux on your Oracle VirtualBox virtual machine. So let's get started. First of all, you need to have Kali Linux ISO file in order to install on your VirtualBox. So hopefully you have all VirtualBox, and to get the ISO file for Kali Linux you just need to go open your favorite browser and search for Kali Linux, and here the first link will appear here will be the kali.org, and you can see the download link from here. But we are going to open the kali.org first, and then we will just click the download link from here. You just need to click this download link from here, and then in here you will be able to find the different versions of Kali Linux, right? And the one I have downloaded is this one, which is ISO file 64-bit. Okay, so it's a 2.6 GB file, so it will take some times to download. So just download this ISO files, which is the first option here. So after downloading this file, it will look like this: a Kali-Linux 2060.1-AMD64.ISO file. Okay, so once this file is downloaded, we are ready to install this on our VirtualBox. So just open your VirtualBox and virtual machine, and in here we're gonna create new virtual machine. So just click this button, which is new, and in here we will first of all provide the name of our virtual machine, for example Kali, and then it's Linux operating system, so we need to choose the type Linux. And in here you will not able to find the Kali option, Kali Linux option, right? So the one we are going to choose here is Debian 64, which is this option. Okay, so just choose this option and say Debian 64, and then click next. And then in here you can choose the memory size. So I'm going to give memory to my virtual machine up to, for example, 4 GB. Okay, and then I'm going to click next. And in here it says hard drive, so we are going to create virtual hard drive for now. So just choose this second option, which says create a virtual hard drive, and then just click create. And in here we'll be asked hard drives file, so we want to make a VDI file, so just leave it as default, which is the first option checked, and then click next. And in here it will ask you for the storage on the physical hard drive. You will sorry, we want to dynamically allocate a storage, so it's okay, it's fixed size, but it will be grown dynamically. So just choose the first option, which is dynamically allocated, and then click next. And then here you can allocate the the memory to your device. So you, for example, I want to give around 20 GB to my virtual machine, so I'm going to just move it to 20 GB, and then I'll just click create, and it's going to create this Kali virtual machine here. Okay, now once you created your virtual machine, you can choose this virtual machine, which is called Kali, and we are going to do some settings from here because we haven't given the path of the ISO file yet, right? So just choose this option Kali, and then click this button which says setting. And in here first of all we are going to system here, and you can see we have given 4 GB memory to our virtual machine, and just choose this option which says processor. By default it's given 1 processor for this virtual machine, right? So we can increase it to 4. So this depends on you, how many numbers of processors you want to give to your virtual machine. I want to give 4 processor right now, so we are going to choose this option which says storage, and in the storage we are going to go to controller ID and choose host drive D. Okay, so just choose this option, and this sorry, will give you kind of interface. Here you need to just click this CD icon here and provide the path to your ISO file. So just click this CD icon and click the first option which says choose a virtual CD DVD disk file. Okay, and from here you can just provide the path to your ISO file which you have downloaded. So just choose the ISO file which you have downloaded and then click open, and I'm going to minimize this first of all. So now you have given the path for your ISO file for Kali Linux, right? So we are going to just click OK, and then we are ready to start our virtual machine. So just choose the option Kali option and click the button which says start, and then it's going to start the installation for sorry, operating. It will start your operating system. It's going to interface that we want to do the graphical interface. Choose the graphical install option. Just press the down button and choose this option which says graphical install, and press enter, and now then installation will start. Now in here you will be asked to choose your language, so select a language. What we want is English, and here so I'm going to leave it as default, but if you want to choose some other language you can choose it from here. Okay, then click continue, and then it's going to ask for the locations you are in. So for example, I want to choose UK from here, so I can choose UK from, then I can click continue sorry, and then it's going to ask for keyboard layout. So the keyboard layout, for example, I have a German keyboard layout, and otherwise whatever keyboard layout you have you can choose it from here, and click continue. And now it's going to load the installation CDN, and it's going to start the installation. So just wait for this progress bar to reach 100%. Sorry again, but okay, it's going to ask some more options which you can provide from here. Okay, just wait for it, and now it's asking configure the network, and default host name it have given is Kali itself, so you can change the default host name. From here it should be one word name. I will leave it as default, which is Kali, and click continue, and in here it's going to ask you the domain name. I'm going to leave it as blank, and click continue, and you need to give your password, your operating system. So choose the password which you can remember. For example, I'm going to give some password. Once again I'm going to repeat the password, then again I'm going to just click continue. Okay, and then it's going to just detect the disk, and it's going to once again do the same configurations. So we need to wait for it, and now it's going to ask for the partition disk. We want to do the first type, which is guided use entire disk. So choose the first option here and then click continue. And here just choose the default option, which is this option, and click continue. And once again choose the default options and click continue. Okay, and in here also choose the last option and click continue. And now you are asked that you just need to provide partition disk. So write the changes to disk. Yes, we want to change the disk, so we will choose the yes option here and then click continue. Now in the next step you are asked to choose or use network mirror, and you just need to choose the default option, which is yes here, and then click continue. And in here just leave it as blank and click continue, and just wait for the progress bar to reach 100 once again. So we will wait once again, and now in the next step it says install the grep bootloader to master boot record. So we want to leave it as default, which is yes, and then click continue. And in here we need to choose the second option. So when it's asked that install the grump bootloader for hard disk, you need to choose the second option, which is dev/sda, and then click continue, and just wait for the installation to complete. Okay, and so now our installation is completed, and you can see this message installation is complete, right? So we just need to click continue, so that it's going to restart this Kali Linux operating system, and then we are going to see the login window. So just click continue which is going to finish the installation. Then it's going to restart the virtual machine, so just wait for that. And now it says finishing the installation, so we are going to wait for installation. Now it's finished. We can see the operating system is restarting, so don't do anything until you see the login window. Okay, so just wait for the restart to happen, and we will be able to see our login window. So just wait for that login window. Okay, and now we can see this login window, and first of all it's going to ask username, and default username is root here, so just give root username and then click next, and the password will be the password which you have set. So I told you to remember the password, you just need to fill the password which you have given here, right? So I'll give the password, and then I'll click sign in, and once I'll click, hopefully we will be able to see that Kali Linux in desktop environment. So just wait for this, and now I can see this desktop for Kali Linux. Okay, so in this way you can download and install Kali Linux on your virtual machine. I hope you have enjoyed this. Please rate and subscribe my channel. Thank you.